Hi, friends!
Granby is a lovely town in the southwestern part of Quebec, just east of Montreal. It is known for its natural prairie landscape, filled with meadows and beautiful forests. You'll find a variety of trees here like ash, fir, maple, hemlock, and birch. A notable spot is Lac Boivin, a small swamp that has become one of Granby's famous landmarks. The North Yamaska River flows through Granby, and its power has been harnessed by dams built by local industries. Granby's history is rich and varied. Indigenous peoples originally roamed this land, leaving their mark on its nomadic history. In 1792, the eastern townships opened for colonization by Loyalists. The first settler, John Horner, set up a sawmill near the Yamaska River in 1813, and Richard Frost later added a general store. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Granby, Quebec. Located in the heart of downtown Granby, the Notre-Dame Center features a large multipurpose room perfect for corporate or family events, weddings, performances, and conferences. The center manages leisure, arts, culture, and community life for the city. Previously to the center being an events venue, this was Église Notre-Dame. It was dedicated to the Holy Heart of Mary from the very beginning. It was initially served by missionaries from 1844 until 1859 when the first resident priest was appointed. After more than 100 years of worship, the last Mass at Notre Dame Church was held in June 2013. Several hundred people attended, with many feeling sad as the church held numerous memories. Église Sainte-Famille is a stunning example of religious architecture from the French colonial period. Built between 1743 and 1747, Église Sainte-Famille is one of the three remaining churches with a Latin cross plan from that era. It was designed by the architect Louis Napoleon Audet. The main facade and walls are made of rock, the roof is covered with asphalt shingles, and the church also features a presbytery. Inside, there is a three-aisle nave, rear galleries, and choir galleries. The church houses an organ by Cassavant Brothers, and the stained glass windows were created by Hobbs House in 1931.